YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the Dinger portable battery charger. Now you can grab one of these on Amazon.com for the low of $12.49. All right. So what the Dinger is what it is basically a portable charger for your iPhone. All right. It has a 1200 milliamp battery, and it could take you from 0% to 50% in less than an hour. All right. Some of the features is compact size, thin, lightweight, and it's coming in at 1.96 inches by 1.57 inches, 0.35 inches in thickness, and weighing in at 1.3 ounces. Now they say that it's compact in design. It can fit in a pocket, purse, glove compartment, and really anywhere that you want to put it. So this is only for iPhone. I wasn't able to find it for any Android device, but if they come out with an Android device, maybe I'll do a video for it. So let's open it up. Alright, so this is what you get. You get your Dinger charger, and you get like a little wrist strap or something like that, so you don't lose it. Alright, so I'm assuming this comes off. There you go, like that, to keep your lightning adapter or whatever you want to call it, to keep that secure and not broke, so it don't break off. And then you have a button right here, which I'm guessing that's how you power it on, power it off. Well, it's powered on, so let's try it out. Alright, so my phone is on 82%. Get out of there. Plug that in. You see it's charging. So take it out. No charge. Plug it in. And you got charge. Alright, so real simple. Real easy to use. If you need to charge the Dinger, then I'm assuming you would just plug it in like that. You see the light went from blue to red, which means that now this is charging. So you want to keep this charged, so whenever you need it, if you're out and about, you just plug it in and you're ready to go. Now I probably won't use this. I probably won't utilize that, but it's pretty simple. It's just the standard thing. You just put it through that loop and through that hole and through that one, and use it like that. But like I said, I'm not gonna use it. But this is pretty cool, cheap and effective tech, you know what I mean? So this will go into that playlist, and cheap tech under 50 bucks. And this is something that a lot of people will be able to use, you know, charging on the go. You ain't got to carry a big portable charger. You just throw this in your pocket. You know, it's smaller than a wallet, smaller than a phone, you know, really compact. You see how thin it is. So you're not really going to have any problems like stowing this around and carrying it, you know what I mean, while you on the go. Now, Dinger works when I have a case on my phone. So it should work when I don't have a case on my phone. Let's try that out. And it still works. Alright, so let me try another device real quick. This is the iPhone XR, so we try that out. And it works without that case as well. Let me try it with the case on. And it works with the case being on. Which is Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, then all you got to do is go into the description, click on every one of them links, and you can follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.